Hello all, welcome back to my channel How to Fi Simplify. Today we are going to see how to make this beautiful and wonderful looking home model. This one was made as per my thinking, creativity and thought of how my dream home should be built someday. I don't own a home like this today, but one day if I build a house for myself, it will be so. This is how I would like to make my dream home. This is made out of completely discarded fridge cardboard. The carton box that came along with my fridge. It was about to be thrown away. So I took a part of it and kept it for making my dream home model. So you can see this, that I have made it look little bit different and look bit similar to how a home would be after it is built and painted. So let's see what I used and how it is made. First of all, we have to use the cardboard that came, the carton box cardboard that came along with any of your electronic equipment or something like the kitchen appliance. You get the big size cardboard. Mostly a LED TV, 40-inch LED TV cardboard would be fitting perfect for this purpose. Once you get the cardboard, cut into a rectangle shape that fits this hole. This above chimney kind of structure, we have to fit it separately. So discard that part for now, and you have to cut the rectangular shape cardboard for this. Then you have to cut out the strips for this top line, which acts like a slope for the rainwater to slide. It is similar to the rooftop of the house, so that you can make it with the same cotton box but a strip of it. Okay, for windows and everything, every part of it is made out of the cotton box. There is nothing you bought from any of the shops. It's everything from our home, and everything is only discarded materials. So you can see that the door, the windows are opening type. So you can see that you can open and close the window. You can open and close the windows, and you have a beautiful window design on top of it. Like here you can see that you can open the window. Once you open, you can see the inside room lighting and wall colors, everything. So this door also is made out of cotton box, and you have a small imagination of myself and my wife, or like some two couple standing in front of the balcony and enjoying the view of the outside garden. So we have a pot plant on the staircase, and the staircase is also made out of cotton box. You can see clearly that everything is made out of cotton box strips. Okay, all the work is completely to cut the cotton box into different shapes and do it. I also made a dream car of mine using the same cotton box, and also placed it. So someday, even if not a Ferrari, at least a normal car of Indian roads would be mine. So that's how it is made. So you can see that the designs of the wall, brick designs of the wall is also made out of cotton box. And you have a chimney right at the top, and a hole for the pigeon's nest or bird's nest. And you also can make some floral pots hanging. It will look like a design for the home. So you can see that everything is made out of completely discardable cotton box. So I'll bring it a bit closer so you can observe that the car, everything looks clear for you. So the it is standing on the top, and it looks almost close. The color is of your choice. I gave the red color because the rooftops would be usually made out of the red color bricks. So that's why you can choose the colors of your choice to make your own dream home look similar to what is of your dream. So therefore, getting this flappable, you have to cut the rectangle and stick to the background with a small paper or a tape so that you can flip it open and close as needed. Otherwise, you might not get this window kind of effect. You might have it fixed like this, which will not look that good. You have an option to open and close, which is very interesting to see in this particular card. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be seeing you with another beautiful art or craft. See you. Thank you for watching. If you are watching this for the first time, please like, comment, share, and also ensure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that my subsequent art and craft videos will reach you. Thank you very much. Bye.